Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. First of all, happy 2022! It is 2022. Happy New Year to everybody. I want to wish you all nothing but the best, love, health, success, anything you want to get this year. Go ahead and achieve it. Go ahead and do it. I'm going to be working really hard on my channel this year, so I almost choked on my saliva from the excitement. I'm gonna be working extremely hard on my channel this year and see where it goes. Thank you all so much for your love and support in 2021. 2022, I'm coming. Starting off for 2022 with my first tutorial from Makeup Revolution and Marilyn Monroe. This look is really beautiful. It's honestly my go-to look other than the red lips. Every time I apply red lips, I just feel so fierce. I love it. I wanted to go ahead and create Marilyn Monroe iconic eye makeup and lips. So this is the look that I came up with today. The liquid liner. Obviously I applied lashes and browns and obviously the red lips. In this tutorials, I'm gonna be using diamond eyeshadow palette, also white pearl, and obviously the highlight and the red lip. So before I go ahead and jump into the makeup tutorial, if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. It really means a lot to me, and if you haven't already, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys aboard on the light family that I have here on my channel. If you'd like to learn how I created the iconic Marilyn Monroe look, please keep on watching. Alrighty you guys, this is what we are coming up with today. I have to say your girl is very impressed with the shadows. The liner and the mascara, I think I need a little bit more time to get to know them, if you know what I mean. So the first thing I am going to be doing is priming my eyes, and I'm using my KVD Beauty Whiteout Concealer, and I'm just adding a little dab of that in my brush and blending it all out. Now you can use a skin tone primer if you have one, but I like to use the white one just to make the shadows stand out. Today I'm going to be playing around with two palettes. So the first one I'm taking obviously is Diamonds, and look how beautiful this is. I'm obsessed with this palette. So first color I'm gonna go ahead and grab, I almost shoved my nail in the shadow. So the first shadow I'm grabbing is this one right here, and this is called Beautiful Thing. Just a perfect color to apply in the crease. It's unbelievable. So I'm just gonna grab it with my big fluffy brush. This one is the JH35 from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this color into my crease, and I want to make sure that I keep it rounded as much as possible and not winging it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that on my crease and start blending it in wiper motions back and forth like so, until it's nicely spread in the crease. So no efforts there, let the brush do the job, and all you need to do is just place your hand somewhere. I like to place my hand like on my face with my little pinky here, just to have a little bit more control. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying this back and forth like that, and a little bit of circular motions too, just to buff it out. And as I go, I slowly go ahead and build it up by adding just a tiny bit of product or shadow on my brush and blending it the same way. Next color I'm grabbing is this one right here, and this is called No Angel, and this color is so beautiful, very pigmented. As you guys could see, like, there is pigment to the shadow. Obviously the first color I applied could go darker than that, but I am just, you know, slowly building it up. But when I first applied it here, I was like, whoa, okay, this needs to be toned down a little bit. Now grabbing No Angel a tiny bit on the same brush, and I'm going to lightly start putting this color into the crease. So this is going to slowly add more definition to the crease and just making your eye look a little bit bigger. I'm not going to bring it all the way in here. I'm just going to concentrate it on the outer corners, and also blending it the same way I did with the first stage. So back and forth, let the brush do the work for you. And I'm also going to take it in circular motions and start blending it with Beautiful Thing. I'm going to pack a little bit more of No Angel on the outer corners here and then blend it toward the inner corners here, or blend it toward the crease. To help me with all the blending, I'm taking this color right here, and this is called Someone to Love. I'm going to be grabbing it with the same brush, and this is just going to go literally on top of everything that we've done here. So make sure that you just place it and blend it out. This is just going to give you a little hint of like pinky tone, but keeping it quite neutral. This palette right here is absolutely beautiful, and I really wanted to just work with it on this look, but I feel like on the lid, Marilyn Monroe was always known to have like a lighter color on the lid, sometimes shimmery, sometimes matte, but I feel like there isn't really one in here. Probably wondering, but Noor, this one right here. Yes, I agree, but this one has a little bit more of a taupey kind of color in it, so I'm gonna stay away from taupes. I want to keep it light and bright, so I'm grabbing this palette right here. This one is called White Pearl, and this one has the perfect color, and that would be the one up here right there. So this palette does not have names to it, but I'm grabbing this color. It's the only light color that it is in this palette right now. And I'm just gonna grab it with an eyeshadow brush. This one is an old one. I believe it's from Royal and Lanico. I'm not sure if they still exist. I got this from IMATS, and the number of it is 808. And believe it or not, this color is very pigmented, and I'm actually taking it dry. I'm not even wetting it. And I added the tiniest amount on my brush, and look at this. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it is absolutely stunning, nice and pigmented. It's bright. And I'm just going to grab a tiny bit more on my brush and just start packing it in there. This one here gives me that perfect light color on the lid, but also just keeping it iconic Marilyn Monroe vibes. And that is what we want. Take the crease brush again and lightly start fading it away in the crease, because we want the browns to stand out and we want that to stay on the lid. If ever you wish that you want to cut the crease to make the light color stand out, go ahead and do that. So I'm also grabbing that same color again with a smaller eyeshadow brush. This brush is also from Coastal Scents, no number, no name. I'm not sure why I said also. I think did I use another Coastal Scents? No, I didn't. And I'm just gonna grab this color and put it on my tear duct area just to brighten up the look. Now on the outer corners, I'm gonna take No Angel, which is the second color that I used on my crease, and I'm grabbing it with this flat brush. I get questions a lot on where I got this brush from, and honestly, I don't know. I remember getting it from IMATS. It looks like that. It's nice and fluffy and straight, but it literally has no name, no number, no nothing on it. And I do apologize, but I don't remember where I got this brush from. But you can go ahead and use any brush. You can also use a small eyeshadow brush like that to get it in the lower lash line. But honestly, I'm really sorry, I don't know where this brush is from. So I'm grabbing No Angel and I'm just packing it on the outer corners here. Only on the outer corners and not too dark. And I'm also going to go ahead and buff it out a little bit using Someone to Love. And this is just going to help me fade it out and blend it out. Don't mind this, you guys. I really wanted to... I know you guys have been looking at this whole time. It's bothering you as much as bothering me. It's a new friend that decided to pop on my face here. With the hair is going to cover it up, hopefully. But please don't mind that. If you have a mirror in front of you, just make sure that you put yourself a little bit far away from the mirror and start looking from a further distance. And you will definitely see what you need to fix up and what you need to match up. I do that often and I feel like it really helps me a lot. So this is a big tip, that if ever you're wondering, oh, but I don't know, like it's not matching up, just step away a little bit, look from a further distance and see what's not working out. Let's go ahead and put the liquid liner. So this collection came out with a eye set and it had a mascara, and it and it had a liner and the mascara. So let's go ahead and use the liner and show you how this works. Now, I had a hard time using it on the other eye just because the tip is really thick and it looks like that, which I'm not used to be honest. For me to work with this kind of tip, I like to work with it like sideways. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create my wing here. Okay, so that is the wing. It looks as the other eye for now. Let's see how it's gonna look like with the lashes, but let me go ahead and explain a little bit fast on how it works. I definitely feel like it was easier for me to do this eye because I always have more control doing this eye than this eye. And I have to say that this one right off the bat, I would say like jet black eyeliner, which is what I really love. And the applicator for me, actually, it's not that bad to work with. I obviously need some time to work with it because normally this is what I am used to, showing you the difference of the tip, this one right here, and then putting this one close by it. You guys could see the difference. So I'm definitely more used to the one at the bottom. The one on the top, I need some time to get to know a little bit more, but overall I really like it. It's very black, it's easy to work with, and I'm just excited to work with it a little bit more and see what I can do with this liner other than wings. You guys all know I like to be creative with my liners sometimes. Let me go ahead and try the mascara. So before I go ahead and try them, I put on the mascara, I like to curl my lashes. And this is the mascara, so let's go ahead and apply it. I felt like this one gave me more length than volume, and if that's something that you don't really like as much, then this is definitely not the mascara that you're gonna enjoy. I feel like, again, I need some time to get to know the mascara and see how it works without lashes, but you know, today is just the makeup look, so I'm just, you know, working with the products and see how I like them. So this is how it does. It really does really nice length. I feel like it separates the lashes very nicely, and this is the first coat here, but I'm just gonna let it set for a little bit and apply a second coat. This is definitely more lengthening than volumizing. If you are not interested in that, then you're probably not gonna like this mascara, but you might like the liner, you never know. Or if you're just like more on the natural side and you prefer a little bit of length, then this mascara is the one for you. So this is how the mascara looks like. I'm gonna give you, I don't know, maybe a side view, see how it looks like. I'm not sure if you guys could see anything, but I do like it. Again, I need some time to work with it and see how it works. Let me go ahead and apply the lashes. So I'm using the same lashes as I used in my previous tutorial. So these are the MFMA in light, and I have a half pair in here and a full pair in here. So the half pair only in the outer corners, and then the full one is right on top of it to create a little bit more volume on the outer corner. And if you wish to purchase these lashes, I will leave the link down below. You can also use my coupon code LBBYND for 10% off your purchase. So let me go ahead and pop these on, and I'll be back to finish up the face with you guys. I have to say that the mascara is very nice on the lower lashes. And I also went ahead and applied kind of like a skin tone beige liner in the waterline. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit more. This is from MAC, and this is the chromographic pencil NC15 NW20, which is my favorite. So for contour, taking Shade Light, my classic favorite one. So I'm gonna be mixing ShadowPlay and Subconscious. Start contouring my face. Now I'm not contouring my face the same thing as Marilyn Monroe, let's be real. This is just the eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face like I normally do it. For blush, I'm going to grab the eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be using Beautiful Thing, just a tiny bit, and see how it's going to look like on. You guys all know that now I love to put shadows, like eyeshadows, as blushes. So yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. I just don't want a super pinky tone because I'm putting on obviously the Iconic red lipstick, and I want something to kind of just neutralize the face a little bit, since basically the lips is what's gonna stand out. I love this color so much. It's really, really pretty. Okay, so that is that. Let me go ahead and add my beauty marks. I know Marilyn Monroe, I think she has one up here. Does she? I don't know. Let me just Google her face a little bit. Yeah, she has one on this side right here. So let's see if I can do that. I think I have, I'll put it right there actually. Let me go ahead and set my face and add some moisture. I'm using my Too Faced Hungover. Now for highlight, the moment I've been waiting for the most is just to try this compact powder. I know, fingerprints. Hate that. This is the powder, and let's go ahead and apply that on the face. I'm taking my highlight brush. This one is from MAC, my top favorite, and this is the 133 brush. Oh, okay, this is pigmented. Oh my god, okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pat it. Okay. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. I don't know if you guys could see it, but I'm packing it on. It does have some like kind of like glittery flecks to it on the face, but honestly, I'm like not mad at it. It's so beautiful. On to the lipstick. So obviously I'm gonna go ahead and use Marlin Red, using the lip liner first. Wow, like butter. Lipstick time. I always get so fascinated. Look at this. It's so nice and shimmery. Wow. Ah, god. Like absolute butter, you guys. Marilyn Monroe Fantasy. Okay, this is Magnet. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling 22. No, I'm not. I'm far from 22. I don't know about you guys, but every time I wear a red lipstick, I immediately feel like Marilyn Monroe. Like I kind of like feel classy, feel elegant, feel like old Hollywood vibes. Let me go ahead and fix up my hair, put a nice top on, and I'll be back to finish up the tutorial with you guys. Alrighty, you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh my god, you guys have no idea how much I'm feeling my Marilyn Monroe fantasy right now. If you guys are wondering about certain products that I used on my face, make sure you check out the description box. Everything is going to be listed down there for you guys. I cannot wait for my next tutorial to use more products from this collection, so please stay tuned for that. On that note, I'm gonna go ahead and do some TikTok videos. If you don't follow me on TikTok, check out my link down below. You can go ahead and follow me if you wish. I want to wish you all a wonderful day. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.